Hello there, I am Zena James, and unfortunately, the holiday weekend weather may not be what we all hoped for, but we all know when Diwali rolls around, so does the rain. So stick with me as we break it down element by element. Now let's start with our seas. The Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service issued a yellow level hazardous seas alert set to go into effect from tonight at 8 p.m. and end on Saturday at 4 p.m. Why was it issued? Well, we're expecting high energy northerly long period swells up to 15 seconds combined with spring tides, which will start affecting our coastlines from tomorrow. That means we could see agitated seas, especially around high tide, with large battering waves in the safe zone. These can impact fishing, swimming, and boat mooring, and may also cause saltwater intrusion and sand displacement further up the beach than usual. Now, sea conditions are expected to deteriorate first over northern and eastern Tobago from Friday night and then gradually move southward towards northern Trinidad. So caution is advised for all marine interests, especially during those times. Now to the wider Atlantic, we're tracking two tropical waves in the central Atlantic. The first is the weaker of the two, showing scattered convective activity, but still expected to pass over us on Saturday. But the second wave, however, is stronger, with scattered to strong convection, and is on a path that could support gradual development in the coming days. Now, in light of this, the Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service has also issued a yellow level adverse weather alert set to go into effect from 12 p.m. on Saturday and end at 10 p.m. on Monday. Like I said, these tropical waves are forecast to bring periods of showers and isolated thunderstorms from mid-Saturday when the first wave passes, followed by more impactful weather on Sunday into Monday as the second wave passes again. Now, during this period, we can expect gusty winds near heavy showers and thunderstorms, which may displace loose objects and further agitate sea conditions. Those heavier downpours can also lead to street or flash flooding, localized ponding, and even landslides in hillside and other vulnerable areas as the soils become increasingly saturated over time. Now, the TTMS also issued an official statement regarding this very strong tropical wave that we are expecting on Sunday, as models continue to show a low chance of development into a tropical cyclone, but that potential would only occur after it passes us as a tropical wave and enters into the Caribbean Sea. So for tonight, we will start to see some moisture increasing and heading in. So although skies may be mostly clear early on, partly cloudy to cloudy periods will begin to move in after midnight, especially over eastern and southern Trinidad and most of Tobago. There's also a low to medium chance of thunderstorm activity close to the morning time. When we look at our temperatures, we're looking at 24 degrees over southern Trinidad, so a bit cooler, and 26 over Tobago, which is cooler than what we've been seeing over the past couple of days. Now, between our sunrise and sunset times and heading into the weekend, that adverse weather alert will remain in effect from mid-Saturday straight through to Monday, which is our Diwali holiday, as both tropical waves pass and trailing moisture is expected Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Because of all the cloud cover, we will get temperatures a bit lower, around 30 and 31 degrees during the daytime and 24 and 25 degrees for the nighttime. Now, for Tobago, you will see a higher chance of that precipitation on Saturday, and we will also have that high chance of precipitation for Sunday and Monday as those tropical waves pass, and we will also have that trailing moisture being expected for Tobago as well. Similar experiences are expected for the temperatures. Lower temperatures around 31 and 30 degrees during the daytime and 27 and 26 during the nighttime. Now, when it comes to our seas, remember that the hazardous seas alert will be in effect in combination with those spring tides as well. So although you are seeing those moderate sea conditions, please use caution along the northern and eastern coastlines. And while you take a look at our tidal times for both Trinidad and Tobago, I just want to wish everyone a happy Diwali and a safe and enjoyable holiday weekend ahead.